guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the... what's the title again? Hold on. The Full Face of Ulta Clearance Makeup Challenge. Shout out to Laura Lee. I saw her do this video and I thought it was so fun. I'm gonna link her video down in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. I actually wanted to do the Target version of this, but I literally went to 3 Targets and I couldn't find like a clearance section. So I went to Ulta instead. I actually ended up going to 2 Ultas because the first Ulta I went to didn't have enough makeup products. So the second Ulta I went to had like a pile, like a huge pile of makeup on clearance, and I was so happy because honestly, after going to 3 Targets and basically 2 Ultas, I was gonna give up, not gonna lie. Question of the day for you guys: if you had to choose, which one would you choose? Sephora or Ulta? You could only choose one. Let me know down in the comment section below. No cheating, okay? Only choose one. I'm watching you. And why? Why did you choose that answer? Let me know down below because I'm very curious. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is Heart. Join our family by clicking the subscribe button down below. Be sure to also click the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a brand new video, so you can be part of the early squad, the early fam. Alright, I think we're ready to begin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's do this. The first product we're testing out is the primer. This is from Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Light Correcting Serum Primer. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Catrice Cosmetics. Let me know down below if you guys are familiar with the brand. And this was originally $10.99 and it was on clearance for $6.59. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Okay, that's definitely going to be way too light for my skin tones. I'm gonna have to be very careful with this primer. Also, I think they're mowing the lawn outside, so if you can hear that, please ignore it. Should I apply it like Instagram style, like directly on to my face? I think I should, right? I'm just gonna use my finger to just kind of blend it out and smooth it out all over my face. Oh, this is actually not bad at all. It is giving me that really nice subtle glow, like I'm glowing from within. Ooh. Now I'm wondering if this comes in a different shade, because if it does, I'm definitely going to buy it. Next up, we're moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using this one from CoverGirl. It's part of the Katy Perry collection. It's the Shadow Plus Highlighter Pearl. And this was actually a pretty good steal. The original price, it says right there, $8.99. And it was on clearance for $1.99. And here is what it looks like. I've never tried this before, so I'm definitely very excited. It feels very dry and like I have to like really press in there to even get any, but here is a swatch of it. Okay, it's barely getting on there. This feels extremely dry. I have to press really hard. It's a little chunky. I mean, it is working. We just have to work a little bit harder to get the product out. Moving on to this guy right here. This packaging is so pretty. This is from Ulta Beauty, and this actually comes with a little bit of everything. It comes with 12 eyeshadows, 1 bronzer, 1 blush, and 1 highlighter. And it even comes with a mirror, like a decent sized mirror. The original price was $16, but I got it for $8, and I'm low-key a little mad because someone swatched the highlighter. So I don't know if I'm gonna be using that. So let's go ahead and just give it some quick swatches. I'm gonna go in with this shadow right here and see what that looks like. Okay, that definitely is really pretty. I'm gonna go in with these dark colors right here and see how that looks. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just apply this all over my lids. You guys know I never plan out my makeup looks when I'm filming. Like, I never plan out which shades I'm gonna be using, so I just kind of wing it. So when it goes well, like right now, It makes me really happy. So I think I'm gonna take these two colors right here and mix them and apply it to the outer corners of my lids to smoke it out a little bit and to give the eyes more dimension. And in terms of the eyeshadows, they're actually not bad at all. They're performing pretty well. I mean, they're definitely not the most creamiest or butteriest eyeshadows I've ever used, but they're pretty good. I can totally see myself reusing this palette. So this was a score for me. Boom. All right, so we're taking a break from the eyes and continue with it later. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadows. It's called the Double Duty Primer and Foundation. Original price was $12.50, but I got it for only $2.97. So I picked up 3 colors because I didn't know which one was gonna be my shade. Actually, the third shade, since I couldn't find a concealer in the clearance section, I thought maybe this could be our concealer. So we're gonna save that for later. But I picked up Natural Buff and Nude Beige, and hopefully we can find a shade, we can find my color, because there really wasn't a lot. A lot of them were like open and people had swatched them and kind of, I don't know, put their fingers on it. So these were the ones that still had like the plastic. So I'm really hoping that one of this is our shade, or hopefully we can mix them together and get the perfect shade. I've never used this before, so let's go ahead and swatch it. Ah! Whoa! It's like, what's going on? Oh my gosh. What is happening? Is it dry? Is it supposed to look like that? I've never seen a foundation do that, so I'm a little confused. I'm gonna keep squeezing it and see what happens. Ah! There it is. It finally fell. This is very strange to me. Is it supposed to be like this? Let me know in the comment section if you've ever used this product. This is a first time for me. This is definitely a first time. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers to apply the foundation all over my face. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I don't really know if this is the right tool to use it with, but it's what I'm used to. You guys know I always 100% use a beauty blender to blend my foundation out. So I wanna give it a fair shot. Like, I wanna use what I'm used to. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's not blending at all. It's getting really patchy, so using a beauty blender is definitely not a good idea for this foundation. So I was trying to look for a bigger version of this, but I can't find one right now, so I'm gonna just use this tiny thing right here. Okay, this is working a lot better than the beauty blender. The beauty blender was it was a no-go. Also, this shade is definitely not my color, so hopefully we'll be able to fix that later. I don't think we'll be able to use this light shade as a concealer because the consistency is so thick and so moussey, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see what happens, because I didn't find a concealer, so I don't know. We're gonna make it work, okay? Whew. This challenge is a challenge. I'm actually gonna go ahead and warm up the shade first and then kind of just pat this down underneath my eyes, and hopefully that'll work. I do have to work pretty fast though, because this foundation dries pretty fast, so I'm just gonna have to work double time here. Nope, it's not working. Oh my gosh, I think I made it worse. Okay, so using the brush was okay, but I just found that it was taking way too long to use the brush, so I opted for my finger, my ring finger, and it blended a whole lot better, a whole lot faster, so I just went with using my finger. All right, so now moving on to powder. I was only able to find this one. This is from Maybelline. This is the Dream Wonder powder, and the original price was $8.99, and I got it for $4.47. But this is definitely not my color. This is way too dark, but we're gonna make it work because it's the only one we found. I'm gonna start off slow and apply it right here. This would actually be a really good nose contour shade. It's not so bad. The shade's not so bad. It could be worse. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take this brush right here and just swirl it around, tap off the excess, and just lightly dust it all over my face so it's like not too harsh. This powder is actually pretty good. I'm very impressed. It's gliding on very nice and smoothly onto my face. Moving on to bronzer, I'm taking this palette again and taking this bronzer right here, and I'm just gonna be applying that pretty much all over my face to bring back color to it. I'm actually really impressed with this palette. Everything is blending on so nicely onto my face. I had no idea that there was another side. There is actually a concealer section. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm mad. I'm mad at myself. How did I miss the other side of this palette? This is crazy. There's literally like lipsticks, concealers, and then I think these ones up top are cream highlighters. Oh my gosh, I could have used this to conceal. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to work on the eyes. Again, I'm taking those two colors, mixing them together, and applying that to my waterline. My eyeballs, my eyeballs. Okay, so what's next? I think we're on to mascara. I'm gonna be using this one. It's also from Ulta. It's the Feathered Lashes Curling and Defining Mascara. Original price was $10 and I got it for $4.97. Oh, come on! Oh, I hate these things! Here is what the brush looks like. It kind of has like a dip to it, which is very, very interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use that for my bottom lashes because you guys know I'm wearing lash extensions and we don't mess with the lash extensions. Like that swoop is making it a lot easier to get into like those little corners. It's almost like it's hugging my bottom lashes and it's getting every little corner. So moving on to the eyebrows, I couldn't find anything at the clearance rack. Like I couldn't find any eyebrow products, but I did find these guys right here. I think I'm gonna mix these two shades right here, the brown one and the black one, and hopefully we get something for the eyebrows. Oh, here goes again, this packaging. So annoying. So the original price for this was $18 and I got it for $4.99. So here's the two shades we're gonna use. I'm gonna go in with the brown eyeliner first. Oh my gosh, this is working out really well. I actually really like this shade. It's like a dark brown color, which is what I typically use for my eyebrows anyway. So we're gonna go back to our handy dandy palette and we're gonna use one of these highlighters right here. I'm gonna go in with my ring finger first and just dab it right here. Last thing we're doing, the lips. I have this one from Too Faced. This is from the Sweet Peach collection. This was originally $19 and I got it for $9.47. And this is in the shade Peach Please. Okay. It's working. I was a little nervous that wasn't gonna work for this look, but it's not bad. Alright you guys, so here is the finished look. Overall, I'm actually very, very impressed. Like, not gonna lie, I was low-key a little nervous to do this video just because I didn't really know what to expect. A lot of these products, I think about 98% of these products I've never ever used before. So I feel like I took on this challenge blindly. Like, I didn't know what was gonna happen and what kind of challenges was ahead of me, but I had such a fun time creating this video. I think the look came out so nicely. I think my favorite part about this look is the eye look. I'm like low-key living for this eye look. I'm definitely going to be using, where is it? Where are you? Where are you, makeup palette? I'm definitely 100% going to be reusing this palette because I just think it did such a great job creating this eye look. And if I had to choose something I hate, that would probably have to be the foundations, just because I'm not used to using them whatsoever. I'm so used to using foundations that are more liquidy, that are more runny. But overall, I really, really like this makeup look. I'm just gonna pat myself for doing such a great job. And I definitely discovered new products that I probably would have never purchased if it wasn't for this video, like this primer, this mascara, the eyeliner, the eyeshadow palette. Overall, I'm just very, very happy with this video. I'm giving myself a round of applause. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do other stores. I could do Target, CVS, Rite Aid. You can click these videos right here to watch my other videos, and you can click on my little face to join our family, I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.